Hi everyone, I'm Rick. In today's video, I'll be going over how to make an almond milk green smoothie. To get started, we'll need almond milk, fresh spinach, one whole sliced banana, Greek yogurt, and some ice cubes. The portions that I'll be using in the video will make enough smoothie for about 1 large cup or 3 small cups. First, I'm going to add 1 cup of the fresh spinach to the blender. Next, I'm going to add the whole sliced banana. Now I'm going to add about 3/8 of a cup or 3 ounces of the vanilla Greek yogurt. Now it's time to add about half a cup of the almond milk. The last thing we need to add is about 6 to 8 ice cubes, or about half a cup. Now that everything has been added together, I'm going to turn the power on for the blender and cover the top. I would recommend blending everything together for about 45 seconds to a minute, or you can blend it until it's as smooth as you like. Once you've finished blending, you should have this delicious almond milk green smoothie similar to what you see in the video. And now it's ready to drink and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click the thumbs up button below to like the video and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching my video.